Mrs. Peters, the crazy cat lady of Hiram High School. Today we're going to be talking a little bit about the distributive property, and hopefully we'll follow right into greatest common factor. And we're going to look at how those are related. Okay, so first thing we do is we're going to look at a box and the formula for area. Now, if I want to find the area of this box, the formula says I'm going to multiply the base times the height. Okay, so that would be 4 times 6. All right, that of course is 24. So the area of this particular box is 4. Now, that said, let's talk a little bit about what happens if I split 6 pieces. Split my box. Okay, so this piece here is 5, and this piece over here is 1. Right, this is called a product model, right? Because what I still have is that this was originally 4 times 6. It's now 4 times 5 plus 1. And 5 plus 1 is 6. So my product model here, all right, is the same. So let's go a little bit farther with the top. Okay. Here I have an unknown piece in my product model. Okay, so we already said that in the previous one over here that the 5 and the 1, okay, added to be 6. I can use the same concept when I don't know the piece. So this is really 4 times 5 plus x. Okay, cool. That's my product model. Now let's talk about my sum model. My sum model says I'm going to take the area here and I'm going to add it to the area here. Okay, so the area of 4 times 5 is 20. The area of 4 times 1 is 4. So my sum model says I can add the two areas together. So this becomes 20 plus 4. That's what the sum model says. I can add the two areas. Now, sum model when I have an unknown piece. Same idea. I'm going to take the area of this and I'm going to add it to the area of this piece over here. So this is 20 plus 5x. So my area is 20 plus 5x. And I haven't broken any rules. So the distributive property actually states that the product model is equal to the sum model. We just looked at, and here it is, A times the sum of something inside. Now I'm going to multiply A times the pieces that make up my area. Okay, but the sum model says I can take the area of each piece and add it together. So let's look at a couple of quick. Here's one. Make the product model, we'll turn it into a model. This is what we call distributive. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw me a box. Okay, I'm going to have 2 dividers in there because I have an x and a negative 2. Okay, 6 on the outside. 6x because 6 times x is x. 6 times 2 is negative 12. So the sum model is 6x minus 12. Okay, now, let's do the product model here. Looks a little bit scarier. Same idea. We have 2 terms in the box. So this is negative 1, negative 10p, and I have a 4 on the outside. So I'm going to write my areas of my pieces. This is negative 4, and this is negative 40p. So my sum model is negative 4 minus 40p. All right, one more. Ooh, this one doesn't have numbers sitting out in front. I have a negative sign. Well, put that number in there. Yeah, do this. Same idea. I have 2 terms. Okay, so that's negative 1 on the outside, and positive 1 and negative 7 in. So negative 1 times 1 is negative 1. Negative 1 times 7 in is positive 7 in. So the answer is negative 1 plus 7 in. Okay, now this one, I have the thing that I'm multiplying is on the wrong side. In your brain, it says it's the wrong side. It still works. Okay, I still have a box. There's my box. Got two terms. Okay, n and positive 2, and my 6 is on this side. My negative 6 is on that side. But negative 6 times n, still negative 6n. Negative 6 times 2 is negative 12. So my sum model is negative 6n plus negative 12, or negative 6n minus 12. You're going to ask, what happens, Mr. Peters, if I have more terms inside my parentheses than what is than just two boxes? Let's look at one. Say I have 4 times 2x squared plus 3x minus 5. Well, I have 3 terms inside my parentheses, so my box is going to have 3 squares. I have 3 things. 4 is on the outside, 2x squared, 3x, negative 5. Build my area, 8x, 12x, negative 20. And so I get 8x squared x minus 20. And you have successfully, y'all rock. You are my students. I love you all dearly. Now what you're going to do is you're going to write down any questions you have, and you're going to bring them to class or to tutoring, or we can work on them together. Talk to you then. Bye.